to For Large Mathematics class. We shall be learning trigonometry. Under trigonometry, we shall learn the following: trigonometrical ratios, Pythagoras theorem, the sine rule, the cosine rule, angles of elevation and depression, and bearings and distances. The first 4 topics are to equip the learners with the required knowledge to understand angles of elevation and depression, as well as bearing and distances. So we are starting with trigonometrical ratio. Trigonometrical ratio studies the relationship between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. So that means we use it to solve right angle triangle. In triangle ACB, right angle at A, so this angle 90 degrees. CB is the hypotenuse, the side opposite angle 90 degrees. With respect to angle ACB, that is this theta, BA is the opposite, while CA is the adjacent. In triangle LKN, right angle at L, KN is the hypotenuse. KL is the opposite with respect to angle KML, while ML is the adjacent. SOHCAHTOA is the acronym for studying trigonometrical ratio. SOH, sin theta, opposite over hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite over adjacent. In triangle ACB, angle C and angle B are complementary, which means they add up to 90 degrees. If theta is 20 degrees, then angle BA will be 70 degrees. Sin B is equal to B over A, considering this triangle. Sin B, B over A, that is opposite over hypotenuse. Sin C, C over A. Cos B, C over A. Cos C, B over A. Tan B, B over C. And tan C, C over B. So we applied the knowledge we learned here earlier. Okay, let's apply trigonometrical ratio to solve this problem. K is the midpoint of CA. This is CA, this is K. A, calculate the length of the line segment KA. B, hence write down the value of AC and calculate theta. If you can find AK, we multiply its length by 2 to get AC. The first step, of course, will be to identify the right angle triangles in the given shape. So there are 2. We have triangle ABK and triangle ABC. The side AB is common to the 2 right angle triangles. Then we have so this angle ABC is theta plus 30 degrees. So 6 centimeters. Ka over 6 is equal to tan 30 degrees. Ka is equal to 6 tan 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is 0.5774. So 6 times 0.5774. So that gives 3.4641. 3.4641. 3.4641 centimeter, which is equal to 3.46 centimeter to 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. You round down 4 since it's not up to 5. CA or AC is equal to 2 times 3.4641. AC is equal to 6.9282. 6.9282 centimeter, which is approximately 6.93 centimeter to 3 significant figures. So we can now find theta in triangle ABC. Let P equals to theta plus 30 degrees. So we have opposite over adjacent. AC over 6 is equal to tan P. AC is 6.9282. So over 6 equals tan P. So we are not expected to use the approximated value. So 6.2982 divided by 6, tan P is equal to 1.1547. 1.1547. So P equals arctan of 1.1547. P is equal to 49.1 degrees. 49.1 degrees. Recall P equals theta plus 30 degrees. So 49.1 degrees is equal to theta plus 30 degrees. Theta equals 49.1 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is equal to 19.1 degrees to 1 decimal place. So this is the required angle. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.